How to fix Google Chrome black screen. Below are some troubleshooting methods you can try. 1. Disable installed Chrome extensions one by one. 2. Disable hardware acceleration. 3. Resize Google. Chrome window, try pressing the F11 key. 4. Launch Chrome in compatibility mode. 5. Reset/reinstall Google Chrome. Note, remember to restart your computer after reinstalling Google Chrome. And to uninstall Chrome completely, do not miss out on this folder at %localapp.a%\google\chrome\user data\. 6. Disable the following options in Chrome: flags at Chrome//flags/ GPU compositing on all pages. Threaded compositing do show presents with GD7. Add no sandbox or disable GPU. Launch parameter to the properties of Chrome. 8. Download/reinstall/update Adobe Flash Player. 9. Try using Canary. 10. If your Chrome went to black screen after minimizing, please change default graphic processor. Here's how at https://goo.gl/sckjcj. Intel, to NVIDIA or AMD dedicated graphic processor in right-click content menu or NVIDIA, AMD control panel. 11. Eliminate malware from the scenario. Here are some basic instructions you can try. https://goo.gl/nm4n2k. 12. If YouTube video just kept loading with black screen, try, disable the extensions and re-enable them one at a time, log in as a guest user to check if the issue persists. Your internet connectivity and ensure that you've restarted your device after you've updated Chrome. Sign out of your Chrome and signing back in to see if it works. Uncheck use hardware acceleration. 13. Try killing all the Chrome processes in Task Manager, and then reopen without restoring tabs from the old session. Rebooting your computer would achieve the same thing if that's easier. Last but not least, if you were using some CSS transition rotate, see the Stack Overflow post at https://goo.gl/rxswq.